When trains operate in snowy winter, they suffer continuously from snow accretion and icing. In addition, maintenance requires a lot of costs and manpower every year. Therefore, we've needed to develop a technology to prevent snow accretion and the icing on the railway coaches. We developed the de-icing and anti-icing system to prevent snow accretion and icing. The de-icing system is the equipment to melt down snow ice attached to the HS railway coaches during winter operations. The anti-ice system is the equipment to prevent snow accretion by spraying anti-snow accretion solution onto the trains operating in winter. When a train enters, the snow accretion sensor system, which is applied with a world-first de-icing system, senses the amount of snow accreted. As a railway coach and snow ice are different in temperature, they have distinct colors and depth values. Our system analyzes the wavelength ranges by temperature difference and material and identifies snow icing zones. In the system, the gas burner generates hot air and the main fans deliver the hot air to the platform through the pipes. For minimum heat loss, the pipes are heat insulated. The hot air delivered to the platform is injected onto the trains through the side, and lower nozzles of the system. The air curtain nozzles are installed on the sides of the platform so that the concentrated hot air can be sprayed on the lower parts of the train. The efficiency of the hot air is maximized by the intake fans that reuse the injected hot air. The injected hot air melts down the snow and ice stuck to the lower part of the railway coach. For the coach's de-icing work was completed, the snow accretion sensor system installed at the exit measures the amount of melted ice and compares the data before and after de-icing, which is transmitted to the server. The operator can control the system on CCTV in a safe operating room, which is separated from the machine room. Before the train enters the anti-icing system, the sensors installed on the tracks recognize it entering, and the OCR scans the coach number. The OCR is the equipment that reads the printed characters using light and records the data in the computer. The anti-icing system is diluted at a proper ratio and stored in the main tank through the concentration meter. The diluted solution is sent to the preheater through the main pump line. The delivered solution is preheated so that it can be evenly sprayed even in cold weather. The preheated anti-snow accretion solution is passed to each jet nozzle by the injection pump and sprayed onto the train evenly. The thermal imaging camera displays the distribution status of the sprayed solution, and it is quantified and sent to the server. The solution left after the application is collected through the collection chute below and mixed with the undiluted solution in the main tank at a proper concentration ratio. This recycling can save costs. In the operating room, the operator can safely check the temperature settings and residual amount of anti-snow accretion solution and the status of the system and error alarms. These all can be controlled remotely. For the anti-snow accretion solution, we use the main and auxiliary raw materials of low toxicity. Therefore, no hazardous substance are discharged during manufacturing and consumption. Moreover, the solution is corrosion resistant to various metals and excellently protective of non-metals. More than 90% of its organic compounds are biodegraded, and the acute toxicity is above EC50, 100 mg per liter. Furthermore, the solution does not contain any substances subject to acute first-class, hazardous to the aquatic environment, so it is an eco-friendly material that does not cause ecotoxicity. The de-icing system can remove snow accretion from 20 coaches per hour and about 559 kilograms per hour. Currently, we use the test bed of 30 meters but can extend it long enough to install a non-stop de-icing system if space is secured. The anti-icing system can spray anti-snow accretion solution up to 184.8 liters per minute. At a train speed of 30 kilometers per hour, it sprays 31 liters and collects about 15 liters per coach. The anti-snow accretion solution is so vicious that it adheres to the HS railway coach and remains attached during its operation. The anti-icing-based winter damage prevention technology observes the following process of performance verification and validation. It is anticipated to both strengthen the competitiveness of domestic railway technology and give the domestic industry a competitive advantage in overseas markets, as well as secure reliability for the system. We can expect this technology to contribute to preventing damage to railway traffic, which often occurs in countries with extreme climatic conditions in winter, and improving the safety of train operations and the people through the acquisition of preemptive technology. We will share a safe and happy daily life with our customers with anti-icing based winter damage prevention technology for high-speed railway coaches. Thank you.